Hello science explorers and welcome back to AI Talks Science. Did you know that the human nose can distinguish over 1 trillion different scents? Today we are going to talk about superpowers. We've all grown up with superhero movies and comics that show characters with extraordinary abilities. But have you ever wondered if it's possible for humans to have superpowers like Superman or Spider-Man? What are superpowers? Superpowers are abilities that go beyond what is considered normal for humans. They could be physical or mental abilities, such as super strength, speed, agility, or telekinesis. Superpowers are often depicted in science fiction and superhero media. While superpowers as seen in movies and comics may not be real, there are individuals who possess unique abilities that could be considered superpowers. For example, some people have a photographic memory, while others can hold their breath for an exceptionally long time. Genetic mutations. Superpowers could be the result of genetic mutations. Genetic mutations are changes that occur in the DNA sequence of an organism. These changes could happen spontaneously or as a result of exposure to certain environmental factors, such as radiation or chemicals. Some mutations can result in extraordinary abilities, such as the ability to see in the dark or to withstand extreme temperatures. While genetic mutations could result in unique abilities, they could also have negative consequences. For example, the X-Men character Wolverine has the ability to heal quickly, but this is also associated with an increased risk of developing cancer. It's also important to note that genetic mutations are rare and are not the norm for most people. So while genetic mutations could result in superpowers, it's not something that's likely to occur for the majority of the population. Animal adaptations. Animal adaptations refer to physical or behavioral characteristics that allow animals to survive and thrive in their environment. Some of these adaptations could also give humans superpowers. For example, some people can climb walls like Spider-Man because they have a higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are similar to those found in geckos. Another example is the ability of certain animals to regenerate body parts. For example, salamanders have the ability to regenerate limbs, spinal cords, and other organs. While humans don't have this ability, there is ongoing research in regenerative medicine that could potentially lead to the development of this superpower. It's important to note that while some animal adaptations could give humans unique abilities, there are also limitations. Humans cannot breathe underwater like fish, and they cannot fly without external assistance like birds. Additionally, some animal adaptations could also have negative consequences such as the increased risk of injury due to the high stress placed on the body when climbing walls. Animal adaptations could give humans superpowers, but these abilities may also come with limitations and risks. Brain power. Brain power refers to the ability of the brain to process and interpret information, as well as control the body's functions. Some individuals may have heightened brain function, which could give them superpowers. One example of a superpower related to brain power is synesthesia. Synesthesia is a condition where the senses are cross-wired, resulting in an individual being able to see sounds or taste colors. While not all individuals with synesthesia may consider it a superpower, some may find it to be an advantage in certain situations, such as being able to remember information more easily. Another example is savant syndrome, which is a condition where individuals with developmental disabilities have exceptional abilities in specific areas, such as music, math, or art. While the exact cause of savant syndrome is unknown, it's believed to be related to a heightened ability to process and retain information. Superpowers related to brain power could exist, but they may be rare and limited to specific individuals. Martial arts and meditation. Martial arts and meditation have a long history of being practiced together, as they are complementary practices that can enhance physical and mental well-being. Martial arts involve the practice of physical techniques, such as kicks, punches, and throws, that are used for self-defense or competition. However, the practice of martial arts also involves mental training, such as developing focus, discipline, and emotional control. Meditation, on the other hand, is a mental practice that involves focusing one's attention and achieving a state of mental clarity and emotional calmness. Meditation can be practiced in many different ways, such as sitting quietly and focusing on the breath or repeating a mantra. Practicing martial arts and meditation together can have many benefits for physical and mental well-being. By combining the physical and mental aspects of these practices, individuals can improve their overall health and develop valuable life skills. Advances in technology. Advances in technology have led to the development of many new tools and devices that can give humans superpowers, both physically and mentally. One example is exoskeletons, which are wearable robotic suits that can enhance strength and endurance. These suits can allow individuals to lift heavy objects or move faster and with less fatigue. Exoskeletons have the potential to benefit individuals with disabilities or those who perform physically demanding tasks, such as military personnel or first responders. Another example is brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, which allow individuals to control computers or machines with their thoughts. BCIs have potential applications in prosthetic devices for individuals with amputations or other disabilities, allowing them to control artificial limbs with their thoughts. Advances in genetic engineering also have the potential to give humans superpowers. Gene editing techniques like CRISPR could be used to edit genes related to physical or cognitive abilities, potentially enhancing strength, endurance, intelligence, or memory. Conclusion? While we may not have superpowers as depicted in movies and comics, there are individuals with unique abilities that could be considered superpowers. However, there are limitations to what the human body can achieve. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.